say you have an animated image like this that you'd like to put on every video, but don't want to bother with dragging on effects or even presets to the image every time. Here's where transparent video will save you a lot of time. To do this, I'm going to start by deleting my bottom background layer, leaving only my animated image behind. Then I'm just going to drag my image down to my first video track. Use the Ctrl-M keyboard shortcut to open up the export window in here. Change the format to QuickTime. Then change the preset to GoPro, Signform, RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth, and I'm just going to change the name of my output file before exporting my video. Alright, now I can import my transparent video and overlay on any video clips that I want on my timeline for any future projects. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.